Hey traders, let's talk about the one thing that separates the pros from the rest: discipline. In Forex trading, discipline simply means two things: patience and adequate risk management. That's the secret formula. Patience is waiting for your trade setup to mature, not just jumping on any movement. And proper risk management is your safety net. Trading is a game of probability, not certainties. A trader with discipline and consistent risk management hardly ever blows an account. Think about it. If your risk-to-reward ratio is, say, 1 to 3, it means you risk $50 to target a profit of at least $150. So, even if you hit 3 consecutive losses, just one single winning trade wipes them all out. The very next win puts you in overall profit. You stay in the game. A profitable trader isn't someone who never loses. It's someone whose wins outweigh their losses over time. You can even be profitable with a low win rate if your risk management is on point. By keeping a detailed trade journal, you can refine your setups, boost your win rate, and combine it with solid risk management. Consistent, proper risk management keeps you from blowing up, but when you combine refined setups with that same consistent risk management, that's when you join the elite group of traders who pull sustainable profits from the market, day in and day out. Master discipline, master risk management, master Forex trading. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me your biggest trading lesson in the comments below.